hope you're doing well. Welcome back and welcome to another hair review. I know, you guys, it's been a minute. This is an actual hair review / tutorial, and yeah, I'm just going to show you the install and everything, step-by-step process of how I achieved this look. This is actually a very affordable unit that's 100% human hair unit, and it is the 13x6 lace frontal unit, and I got this on Amazon, you guys. Very affordable, you guys would not believe. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this look and the details on this hair, just keep on watching. So the company name is KUN Gang. I purchased this on Amazon. It came with these wig caps and some lashes. Also, these are the packaging items just to help keep the wig shape and keep it protected. But it's so beautiful. I did go in and co-wash it, and I blow dried it on a low cool setting. And yeah, just showing you the cap construction here. This is a ombre color number 427 lace front short bob wig with a 13x6 inch parting. It's pre-plucked, 150% density, and it's 12 inches long. 2 combs on the sides, 1 in the back with adjustable straps, very standard. Here I'm just applying some contour powder to the lace to make it match my skin tone a little bit better. And I'm also going to apply that to the wig cap. Probably should have applied a little bit more in the front. Here I'm just applying the wig or fitting it onto my head and just checking out that parting space a little bit more. It's so soft, you guys. The hair is so soft and beautiful. There's that 13-inch parting space. Look at that. So nice. And here I'm just showing you different views of the parting space. So you have lots of styling options with this one. And then also I love the blend with the ombre. There's no line of demarcation between the number 4 root and the 27 color. It's just a really nice blend. So whoever colored this unit did a really great job. And there's that 13-inch parting again, going all the way to the back. Look at this. Guys, I am so in love. So yeah, I'm gonna apply, well, I was out of heat protectant, so I went in with my TRESemmé smoothing serum, and I'm just applying a little bit of that to protect the hair because I'm gonna flat iron it. Here I'm just going in to cut off the lace, and I'm cutting with the scissors in the middle first, and then I'm gonna go in with my razor and cut off the sides of the lace. And then I'll go back to the scissors when I get to the ear tabs. But yeah, I learned this technique from Ashley Bedeck here on YouTube. She is, oh my gosh, the wig guru, you guys. This girl lays wigs like nobody's business. I know that sounds kind of corny or ghetto, I don't know, but I love her so much. And yeah, I watch her all the time, and I think I'm watching her now on my laptop. But yeah, this is me just applying the adhesive. So I'm using the Got to Be Glued freeze hold spray, and just going over that to dry it a little bit, make it tacky enough to secure it. And again, I'm using my blow dryer on a low cool setting, you guys. You don't need heat for this. And here I'm just laying down those edges, that hairline, to make it nice and blended and melted, if you will. Okay, so the ear tabs are a little bit tricky, so you have to probably have to spray it a little bit more, or add, you know, a couple of times to get it to stick. So I'll just spray it again. And anytime you see a little piece that's lifting, just go in with a rat tail comb, use the end with your freeze spray or with your adhesive, and then just touch it, you know, touch it up by laying it down. And here I'm just going in with my razor to create some baby hair. Now I'm not gonna leave the baby hair stuck to my head. I want it to look really natural, so you'll see that I'm going to form it with some styling mousse, or foam rather, and then I will tie it down and I will comb those edges out to make it look really natural. So the styling foam I'm using is the Lotta Body styling foam, or wrap foam lotion, I think it's called. All the products I'm using I'll list in the description box below. Styling products. So yeah, these are what my edges are looking like. I don't really care how, I'm not really trying to get it perfect right now. I'm just trying to form it so that I can comb it out later. So here I'm just smoothing out the hair around the parting space, but I'm going to do a middle part style, and I'm just using my headscarf to tie down the edges so that they lay flat and they can set. So I'm going in with the foam lotion again around the parting just to smooth it out. I just wanted to have that uniform salon finish, if you know what I mean. So yeah, just applying a little bit of heat to that, and then now I'm flat ironing the hair. So just styling it, and it's so soft, you guys, and easy to manipulate, easy to curl. The lace was soft. Everything about this unit is soft and beautiful, you guys. It's styled like a dream. It's very cooperative. So here I'm going in with some contour powder in the parting space. If you notice there, like my wig cap is slid back a little bit, so yeah, I should have pulled it forward before I bonded the wig down, but it's okay because I'm going to remove it, and I'll later you'll see I'm doing a different style. And later I also did go in with a foundation in the parting space to make it look more natural, because I didn't do a great job with the contour powder. But yeah, this is me flat ironing the hair, and this is the movement, the body, and the cut just shows off that cut a little bit better, and it looks so good. The cut and color on this wig is amazing, you guys. There's the parting space, and that's the finished look. So I decided to change up the style a little bit. You know me. So I like options, and yeah, I wanted some waves, so I went ahead and threw some waves in there. I think that it looks very natural. The waves are starting to fall now, so they're falling into this natural messy look, and I really think I'm gonna love it tomorrow. I haven't installed a unit like this in a while, so I'm a bit rusty, I must say. It has been a long time because I have been rocking the more affordable synthetic units. I think I did pretty good on the edges, you guys, on the baby hair. I wanted to look pretty natural, so after I styled it or formed it with this mousse, I just kind of let it dry down, and then I just combed it out with that rat tooth comb, so it looks, you know, so it doesn't look like it's just stuck to my forehead. I just didn't really want that look. But yeah, the edges look pretty good. I think I could have plucked it a little bit more behind the hairline. But yeah, just, you know, like I said, this is my first time in a while, and yeah, I'm a bit rusty, but yeah, next time I'll do more plucking, and I may even go in and pluck this one after I remove it. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments and I'll be happy to answer those for you. Thank you so much for watching this long video, you guys. Next week I will be on my A game. I will bring my A game to you. Sundays and Wednesdays will be the upload days. I promise you guys, I have made all kinds of arrangements to make sure that this happens. This was my first week, so it took a little bit of adjusting for me, but yeah, I'm getting it together. And yeah, if this doesn't go out by midnight tonight, it will definitely be up for you tomorrow, and then next week we'll be on our A game, okay? But I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these, and I will see you guys in my next one.